Hi, in previous video I was showing you the microcontrollers that I am using in my projects. Of course, there are much more microcontrollers you can find on microchip website. There's loads of products that you can find with different types, different versions, dependent what kind of device you want to create. Today I would like to show you devices that I'm using to program these microcontrollers. First of all, at the beginning of my history of working with microcontrollers, I was using a JDM programmer, which is this one. I was programming 16F microcontrollers. They have been programming for about 30 seconds, so it was not great, to be honest, speed at the beginning. I mean, it was very slow, especially when 16F 628 and 16F 84, they have about, one it has 2 kilobytes of memory, flash memory, and the second one has 1 kilobyte of flash memory, so it's not that big, but still verification and programming it was taking for about 30 seconds. Basically, you can see that this is on COM port RS232. I have added a ZIF socket, so it is much easier to put microcontroller on into the programmer. So using some kind of IC prog, you can use this for tutorials and looking if and learning how to program devices. It is quite good, but for long term, if you want to build your own devices with some kind of debugging or I don't know, some kind of with some kind of more customized way, it is for long term. I don't recommend this because it is very slow. It is not perfect, to be honest, but if you want to learn how to program devices, the first ones, 16F, it should be okay. But I would like to talk about more about Pickit 2 that I bought. I would like to say that this JDM I bought for about €3 or £2, something like that. You can buy them on eBay. They are very cheap. Like I said, for when you're learning, it's okay, but for long term, I am recommending Pickit 2. This one I bought for about €50 or 60. So basically, it's connected to USB. I mean, it's connected. Normally, you are connecting through the USB. It is very fast to program this device, this microcontroller. This one, it takes for about 3-4 seconds, and I would like to remind that this one, it has, as I remember, 32 kilobytes of flash memory. So verification and programming takes about 3-4 seconds, so it's very fast. Also, but there are also pros and cons. For example, to use this programmer you have to build your own PCB board. You have to create, here are the places to plug it in, the outputs. I mean the five, as I remember, five connections to this. I mean, so you will be able to program this by this programmer. You can program PCB board. You don't have to take from the PCB board this microcontroller. You can on the board you can program and debug, so which is quite handy. Also, you can put inside, some kind of program, and you can, if you are programming loads of devices, and you want to, without connecting to computer, you can put here to flash memory program, and you can connect and program using the button. So it's quite also handy for this. There are Pickit 3, but you can find on the internet loads of informations that some people doesn't recommend them. Pickit 2 are much better. I don't know, it's Pickit 3 supports microchip controllers 24F and newer versions. This one is I didn't, to be honest, try to program new versions of microcontrollers. Maybe in the future I will have opportunity, but for now, to be honest, this Pickit 2 is very good for me. I don't need a better one for now, but I think that it's still very good. You can use, it's integrated with MP Lab, the environment integrated development tool that microchip is providing with these microcontrollers. So basically I would recommend Pickit 2 for long term. If you want to only see or play with microcontrollers, I suggest JDM, and to see if this hobby will be for long term or not, and you can buy your own new products, so to be able to reprogram these devices. And let me know if you have some questions about this, and I can answer about programming and verification, or some kind of problems with Pickit 2. Most of the more problems I had with JDM than Pickit 2. Pickit, it's I had few problems, but some kind of problems with OS system, but it was matter of reprogramming using the cable, USB cable, and there was no other problem with this. So I'm still using this for last 10 months. So I would recommend for all people who are interested in programming. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just add a comment